Today I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your show on your AnkiDroid app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on appearance, just click on it here, then you come to next step here. So then you go down, you just keep going down here, you come here to show top bar, just clicking this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean here show top bar enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.